debris! Debris! No! No!
Yeah, what's up, Nado gang? We are out here in Hurricane Ian. It is almost a Cat 5, and we are directly in the path of it. Yes. We got Jim Chaser Chad. Chad, talk to us, bro. What's going on?
Chad.
Talk to
Okay.
us, baby. Literally 100 Hurricane Ian. At right now, 155 miles an hour, which is only 2 miles an hour, from a Cat 5, a Category 5 hurricane. Within the next hour, we could be inside the eye of Hurricane Ian.
This is
Bro,
insane.
guys, listen. All of this right here, very soon, is going to be underwater. When the storm surge hits, when the hurricane wall gets right on us, I'm sliding. Ah! Oh my God! I got the chance! Woo!
Wow. And it's only going to get worse from here.
Let's go!
It's going to get worse from here.
Hit the subscribe button! And make sure to turn on notifications because this is about to get wild! So the eye wall is on its way at the moment.
Also, another note, if you look in that direction, that's where the shore is. You can be expecting
Cars are gonna be floating. We're taking you to the cave! We take the cave now! Can we talk about this right now? This is possibly Florida's most dangerous hurricane ever on record. And we are literally, bro, the eye wall coming ashore. We're on the shore and it's about to hit us.
Not to mention the Weather Channel's here, Canadian's Weather Channel's here. Jim Cantori, Reed Timmer, Mark and Matt, Chad the Storm Chaser.
Everybody is in this parking garage, like everybody. And we're taking you to the Nado and we're taking you to the hurricane. Do not miss the content that's coming later in the video because it's about to get wild. What's up, boys? What's up? Good luck out there. Wow, bro, this is so lit. Hey, in a little bit, I'm gonna be taking the kayak whenever this is all full of water and kayak down the street. So be ready. Some debris. I got debris. Oh no.
Taking it back to the block. Everything you need trying to tear everything apart. I'm putting it back together.
You got it. You got it. There you go. Nice. Remember all the professional weather people I told you about?
Let's go look at them.
They're right here. Literally everybody is here right now. They're having turf wars. Okay, these people are arguing because they're trying to record videos and go live at the same time and they can't. So Jim Cantori was getting mad, dude. It was so funny.
Yeah.
He was about to throw hands. You know you're in the right place when you're in the same location as Jim Cantori. So I'm gonna give him the say take us to the Nado. Yeah. Hey Jim, could you say take us to the Nado? That's our catchphrase. Come on, let's go. 3, 2, 1. Take us to the Nado. Even though we're about to get the crap kicked out of the hurricane. Right. Let's go. Thank you, Jim. We love you, bro. Let's go. Take us to the Nado and the cane, right? He said even though we're about to get the crap kicked out. Yeah, so that dot right there is us, and that's the eye wall. Yep. Yeah. So we're literally about to get hit dead on. Let's go. It is about to go down. Let's go.
Let's go, baby!
Woo! We are here at this hurricane, baby! Let's go! Let's go! Let's go! Woo!
Yeah. Can I borrow your helmet? Nado gang, look at this, bro.
The streets are empty, nothing but freaking water on the streets. It's about to go down. You know what that green light means up there? It means go subscribe. Go subscribe. Like he's running, go subscribe. Let's go. It's going down, baby. Woo!
Yeah! Nado gang came in strong. Subscribe!
Caution, baby. Get out of here. Nado gang. I'm gonna go back inside and come back whenever it's really bad.
Michael Jackson!
This guy's a troll.
Hey, let's talk about this side of the definition of Florida.
Definition of America. Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Woo! Bro, there's a cat right here.
You're kidding me.
No.
Someone brought a cat in their hurricane?
Look, can I get your cat on video? Look at the cat.
What's your cat's name? Maggie, you're a trooper.
Maggie, you're so cute.
Oh, there's a dog.
Oh, there's a dog? Hi, puppy.
Oh, there's a second cat.
Wait, there's
another cat in there.
No way.
Yeah.
Oh. Aww.
Hey.
Hello.
Look, this dog's name is Elvis.
So brave for being in a hurricane.
Dude, you are a trooper, bro.
He's just so calm.
That is so cool.
He's so calm. We got dogs and cats out here. You stay safe out there, okay? You stay safe. When the water picks up, bro, I'm taking the kayak. We're going in the water.
Absolutely.
Yes.
We're gonna use flying debris as our paddle. What's up, Pops? Yeah! Well, we are in the wall of this hurricane right now.
Oh my God. Dang. Oh my gosh.
I'm getting this. Yeah, we got.
Oh wait, it died down a little bit.
I know, I told him that.
Whoa! That's crazy.
Hey, I'm kind of in the middle of a hurricane right now.
Help! You need help? Oh, I'm sorry.
I thought we were about to take flight. I wanted to go inside. Fine, I wanted to go inside.
Oh, that's not audible? That's the very edge of it. That wasn't even we're not even close. The rain droplets flying at you at like 160 miles an hour kind of hurts, so we got this. So right now, the eye wall is getting ready to like literally come right here. We have debris. There's so much debris. It's flying at us.
Oh! Hey, I don't want any trouble now.
There's a guy with an American flag right there. Oh! Tornado! The little tornado over here. It formed really fast and then took off. We're literally out here. This is so crazy. It's not even here yet. That's all I got to say. Hope you guys are enjoying this. This is what we do. We take you guys to Nado. This is some damage.
Guys, apparently Jim Cantori just got hit by some debris. That is crazy.
Oh my God!
That was scary! I'm going in!
Jim, you took us to the hurricane. Wow. You saw where it hit? Where? It was right over there.
We used to watch this stuff on the television.
Yeah.
Now we're living it.
Oh my gosh.
Are we really riding out this hurricane right now?
We're like chilling outside, riding this hurricane out for you guys. So please hit the subscribe button. So much more to come. Just be prepared.
Tree limbs flying around everywhere.
Look at Jim Cantori. Extreme wind warning. Oh. Hey, okay, we got all kinds of sirens going off. We're out here. It's a stop sign that went down. Hey, it is intense out there. What do you say we go find Chad? Oh wait, we can't go this way. Wait, how do we leave? Over here. That is crazy. Bro, this is crazy. Oh my gosh. We're in a movie. Look at the wind. Oh my god. Oh, it's so strong. Thank you, bro. What do you think of this, bro? It's awesome. This is amazing. Yeah, this is cool. Oh my gosh. When that alarm shuts out. Yeah, me too. You missed it, bro.
No, you missed the flying debris over here.
Oh, we were next to the flying debris when Jim Cantori almost got the lightning landed by Jim, and we were right here. I got it on video.
Lightning struck right over here. I saw it, and I may have it on video. It struck right over here with that BAM!
Yeah, awesome, bro. Jim was in shock. We were really close to him, and he was freaked out.
Okay, so good news and bad news is the eye is literally around us, but we have storms that are constantly showing up right over us. We're in it, still in it, still in it. Here comes some more storms brewing, and boom, still more storms. Wind stopped. It's not gonna get like completely calm. I mean, you'll still have a little bit of wind.
We're technically in the eye right now, right?
Technically, yes. According to this, we are in the eye.
So we're just riding the layer of this hurricane around.
Yeah.
Like it's a fair ride.
Matt.
Theme park ride.
A fair ride that hasn't stopped yet.
Man, I kind of want to go up top.
No, I mean, it's just wind. There's no rain now.
Oh, good.
So you can probably dry off.
Hey, he opened it! Wow.
Come on, Mark. Use some muscles.
Hey,
Use those muscles.
Bro, you weren't turning it. Were you turning it? Yeah, bro.
Wow, yeah. Okay, so right now we're in a hurricane. Give it, I don't know, 15, 20 minutes, and we're gonna have the backside of this hurricane, and it's gonna be more wind, more destruction, and that's what the storm surge is. Yeah. This is kind of our break. It's chaos, it's pure chaos. Nado gang, make sure to hit that subscribe button. We took you to Nado, and we're taking you to the hurricane. Okay, so you remember a few minutes ago whenever we were out here and it was like thundering, lightning, wind, rain? Well, we're in the eye of the hurricane and there's like nothing really going on right now.
Nothing.
So it's kind of just a little chill.
Yeah, we were
you know?
That's where Mark was with the American flag.
Yeah, I was right here.
Nothing's going on. But I guess we're about to get hit again, so.
Yeah, once that eye wall comes back around, we're gonna get smacked again with all the wind and rain and then possibly a storm surge. And then a few minutes ago, we saw a video online of boats literally floating down a street because of so much water.
Yeah. Hey, look. There's a subscribe button.
Oh, right there.
Click it.
Click it. But yeah, seriously, it's about to get crazy again.
Okay, Chad, tell us what's up.
About to enter the hurricane again.
Okay.
We just faced the front side. Now it's time for the back side of the hurricane.
So where are we at on this?
We are right there.
Oh, wow.
If I zoom out, the eye wall is closing in quick. Still about 130, 140 mile an hour winds back here.
No way. We're gonna get hit with 130 mile an hour winds on the back side of it.
On the back side.
I wanted to go use the bathroom. We've had to go to the bathroom really bad. There's no bathrooms around here, so we don't really have a place to go poo. So we don't have time. The only bathroom is in this building right now. I say we try to go to the bathroom, and if we get stuck in the hurricane, what's the big deal? We're just gonna have to run. Yeah, we'll just run. I say we do it because I really gotta go. All right, let's go. Come on. Woo! I'm gonna get in the road, yeah. Wow. Okay, so we are headed to the bathroom, which is at this motel right here. This hotel is the only bathroom in the area, so that's where we're gonna go. We gotta poop. Very bad. Right now we're in the eye, so in like 10 minutes, it's about to hit us again. So we have 10 minutes to go to this hotel, use the bathroom, and then get back, because if we're not, we're gonna be in trouble.
When you put it like that, it's kind of scary.
Wow, you know what else is scary? That.
Whoa!
Wow, look at all this debris.
Look at all this debris.
That is crazy. And the trees over here, all of this. I love your horse.
Wow.
That's a beautiful horse.
Never seen a gray one before.
Oh, is this the hotel? Yeah, that was quick.
Yeah, this is it.
You gotta go. You start getting that fast-paced walk going, man.
Look, these are giant palm trees, and they are laid over. There's one there, one over there. There's one right here too. Trees out here that are laid over. This thing is massive.
To give you an idea of how big this thing is.
What, Joe? Look at it. Is this how you get in the hotel?
Yeah.
Is there a bathroom?
No.
A bunch of people told us to come over here to use the bathroom. Wow.
I'm sorry.
It's okay.
I'm so sorry.
Thank you. Dang. Well, if you have ever wondered what the roots of a palm tree look like,
That's it.
this is it. This is literally all it is.
That is crazy.
I mean,
This got actually up.
wow.
Just collapsed. I wonder if it's that hotel that they were talking about. Maybe not this one.
Maybe. Let's go try it.
Was it this hotel or that hotel you can go to a restaurant?
I thought they pointed at this one.
That one, there's one, the 4 Points, I know there's a bunch of people there.
Oh, he said the 4 points. That's what it is.
Here,
All
turn
right.
up the road.
Wow, this is crazy. That's crazy. Y'all be safe. Thank you. Whew. That was the Canadian Weather Channel. Pretty cool. We almost got ran over. You gotta fend for yourself out here. That thing was split in half. Oh shoot. We're running.
That was really having to poop.
Yeah, Jack. What was that? A parrot! There's a parrot!
Dang, beautiful.
Back to the bathroom. Imagine a storm surge comes while we're in here using the bathroom.
Yeah, that would suck.
And we can't get there. Wow.
We saw a parrot.
We saw a parrot, Chad. They boarded it up. No way. Emergency response team. So they shut this place off. Gosh.
We have no choice. Let's just go back.
I gotta go to the bathroom. Slowly getting rain, so I'm just assuming that an eye wall's coming
Slowly closing in.
right back through. Did you just bend that sign?
Yeah.
Or not?
My guy.
Look, there's a trailer that was thrown around in the road.
We're running now.
Shoot.
What the heck?
Dad's running, so maybe we should run.
Got a bite.
Who else doing this? What? Oh,
Got a bite.
Hey!
Hey, got a bite. Let's go, baby. Are we about to get hit again? Yes. All right, so that's why we're running? Yeah.
Okay, great.
They're coming in quick. Our window of poop opportunity has expired.
Bro, when are we gonna get to use the bathroom? This is tragic. Take us to the cane! Take us to the cane! Chad, take us to the cane.
Oh, God.
You know we're getting close to our parking garage whenever you can hear that, oh shoot. We're in the shot. We're
Behind you.
We're in the
Just out of
shot.
curiosity, like who's out and about in this storm right now?
Dang.
Hey, talking about.
Hey, bro, what'd you get?
Hey, an emergency alert, National Weather Service, an extreme wind warning in effect for this area for the immediate danger of life-threatening winds. Take cover now.
Chad? Life-threatening winds?
It says winds will quickly become dangerous again.
Oh my gosh, sounds like we're going back outside. How does it feel to be on the news?
Dude, I feel like a star. I feel like I was born for this moment.
We are. Where's some stars? You're a star!
There we go.
That means that
Bro, that's us.
Who's behind you? Just out of curiosity, like who's out and about in this storm right now? I mean, it's the eye, but
I met these guys.
Turn
I
it
met
up.
these guys earlier. They're from Texas. They have a YouTube channel. They do extreme weather, and so they've been out and about. They're
Let's
walking
go.
around. That's Matt and Michael. They're two brothers from Texarkana, I think.
Bro, he got your name right.
Let's go, though. Bro, we on the news.
Let's go.
We plugged our YouTube channel.
Matt and Michael, let's go.
Hey, Michael.
Hey, Matt. That's awesome. Bro, there's a bathroom in this building, but there's one problem. The eye wall is right here again. We're going. Right here. Time to go to the bathroom. Please be unlocked. Please be unlocked. Yes. Oh my gosh. No way.
Hey.
Oh, by the way,
Man, the myth, the legend.
it's Mark.
What did I say?
You
Michael.
said Michael.
Matt and Michael.
What a joke.
Did your dad call? Did he hear you?
No, whenever I saw you were live, I didn't realize you were live, and I went on there and looked. Yeah. No, it's okay, it's funny. Wow.
Go ahead.
There's no door. There's no door to this bathroom.
I guess that's a sign that we should use it at the same time. Why won't the light come on?
Maybe there's no electricity?
Oh, I forgot we were in a hurricane.
No, it's okay.
Sorry, we didn't know it was on the phone.
Okay, so he's on a call, so we're gonna wait to use the bathroom. But oh, there's debris. There's debris that's starting to fly around. The wind is starting to blow. We're about to get gusts of like 140 miles an hour again, coming on the backside of this hurricane. So, wow. Oh man. Okay, so it's starting back. We decided just to go back. We'll try the bathroom again later.
Yeah, while the storm surge is covering it.
Oh yeah, I forgot about that. Dang. We'll see. I'll just hold it forever. It is what it is. Okay, I told you it was about to get worse, and look. Wow. It is blowing so hard. Wow. Look. Oh my gosh. Oh, the eye wall. Coming right back over it. The average band. Boys, that is bad. It's back. And it's back with a freaking vengeance. Look. Wow. That's crazy. I'm pretty cold.
That's worse.
So you're telling me that what we're experiencing right now is worse than what we experienced at first?
Yeah. If you thought the first half was bad, no. This second half is going to be a lot. This is there ain't no escaping this.
And we're going to be in this for like probably hours.
Oh yeah. Until nighttime, you won't be able to see nothing through here. You will need flashlights in order to see.
Literally just hold on. What's the flag?
Subscribe now. Before we blow away. It's the least you can do for what we're doing here. The least you can do. Let's go. Come on.
Going kayaking in a hurricane.
Let's go.
How many people have kayaked in a Category 4 hurricane in a parking garage? Not many, but I have. Not many. Let's go. Yeah, just a little more water. Just a little more. That was amazing. I want to go out there.
Hey, what do you say since it's dark? Let's go downstairs and look around. Let's go. Yeah. All right, let's go. Whoa, this fell. Bro, we were right there not long ago. Hey, the roof caved in.
Where?
Right here.
Oh no. Thanks for letting us know.
Yeah, absolutely. Bro, that is crazy.
That is crazy.
Imagine if we were standing there, because we've been going up and down that all day.
Oh my god.
Wow.
Maybe we can get going, guys.
Oh, the wind is so strong. Look at all of this debris.
And there's so much more you can't see.
It's all over there. Matt, come here, look. Wow. It's completely out of the ground.
I thought that was a squid from the ocean.
Oh my gosh.
I'm about to lose it.
It looks like it. Bro, this is so creepy. Whoa, Matt, come here, look. Trees down. All of this. Hey, somehow the debris made it in the trash can. Whoa. Do you think these are free?